We'll move on to ecological pyramid. Another interesting concept in energy transfer or in flow of energy itself, ecological pyramid. We know the shape of the pyramid, how exactly a pyramid will be. In a pyramid, the base will be broad, and as we move towards the tip, it tapers. Just like triangle, it tapers. So what is this ecological pyramid? Ecological pyramid is nothing but graphical representation of different trophic level of a food chain. Graphical representation of different trophic level of a food chain. I'll take the same example of GFC, that is grass eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake, snake is eaten by eagle. If I draw it in the form of a graph or diagram, it forms a pyramid. So this ecological pyramid are of three types. One is pyramid of number. Second one, pyramid of biomass. Third one, pyramid of energy. Pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. We'll study one by one. First, I'll take pyramid of number. Pyramid of number, name itself tells it is something related to the count, that is number. We'll take, for our study, imagine an area of say 1 square kilometer area, 1 square kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 square kilometer area, and the area is completely covered with grasses or different kinds of plants, that is producer. If we count that plants, it will be in crores. Grasses we can't count, it will be in crores. So if you take number of the producers present there, it will be in plenty, and if I draw it, it will be like this. It is in plenty. So first, producers. We can call it as primary producer, PP, primary producer. Now suppose, for our reference, there are 1 crores of grasses. Then there will be insect to eat that grass, there will be grasshopper. There will not be 1 crore insect or 1 crore grasshopper. Grasshopper number will be less than that, maybe around say 10 lakh. So their number decreases compared to this. So the smaller one. So this is here. I'll take this as grasshopper. I'll write insects. Grasshoppers or insects. So this is primary consumer, PC. Say there are 10 lakh insects. Now to eat that insect, there will be frog. There will not be 10 lakh frog now. Its number will be less. Say around 1000 frog. So their number again decreased. So here frogs. So this is primary consumer, secondary consumer. Now suppose there are 1000 frogs, hardly there will be 10 to 20 snakes to eat that. So snake number again decreased. So this is tertiary consumer. See, as we move from base to top, you can look at the diagram, you can look at the graphical, it looks like pyramid. That's why it is called as ecological pyramid, and this pyramid is a pyramid of number. In examination they may ask it, you have to draw it. In a theory exam they may ask it, you have to draw it. You need not write the exact number. You start with some number, say 10,000. Here you just reduce 1,000. Here again you reduce 10. Here it is 10. 110 like this. So this is ecological pyramid, that too pyramid of number. Now the question comes, this is erect or the straight pyramid, will there be any inverted pyramid? In inverted pyramid, the case will be reverse. Tip will be broad and the base will be narrow. Yes, it is possible in case of pyramid of number, and for that example is parasitic food chain. You can call it as PFC. PFC, parasitic food chain. What is that parasitic food chain? Now, first, a single tree, only one tree. So I'll draw a small unit, single tree. This is primary producer now, single tree. On that tree, there will be hundreds of birds. So number increased now. Instead of decreasing, number increased. Birds. Primary producer. This is PP. This is PC. Primary consumer. Birds. And on the body of birds, there are many parasites. Lice. So their number each, now suppose there are 100 birds, on the body of each bird there will be hundreds of lice. So their number again increased. So this is secondary consumer. Now on parasite there are some parasites like protozoans. Their number again increased. Look at this pyramid. This is also pyramid but the reversed one. This is example for inverted pyramid. Inverted pyramid in case of inverted pyramid in case of pyramid of number. Okay, so this is the concept of ecological pyramid. That too the first one, pyramid of number. Suppose you want to name here, you can take this as 1. You can take this as 10. You can take this as 100. You can take this. This number is not important. This is only to show the variation, whether it is increasing or decreasing. Thank you, students.